Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be doing a quick review for you guys on this hair that I have installed. This hair is by Klassy K Extensions, and the type of hair that I have in my head is their Brazilian Kinky Curly Hair. Let me give you guys a close-up on it. This is how it looks. So what I have in my hair is their 18-inch closure along with a 20, 22, and 24-inch bundle. This is 9A grade hair, and the color can range from 1B to 2. So when I first originally ordered this hair, I did only order the closure along with the 20 and 22-inch bundle. But when I received it in the mail, I noticed that the length of the hair was not long enough to my liking. So I went ahead and I ordered the 24-inch bundle, and then when I got that in the mail, I was like, okay, this should pretty much work out. So I went ahead and I co-washed the hair before installing it, and this was my first time co-washing bundles prior to me installing. So I don't know why I never did it before, but I decided to do it this time, and I love the method. So moving forward, I would definitely make sure to co-wash my bundles prior to me installing them. So I went ahead and got it done, and I noticed that when I got home and I looked at the hair, I noticed that the 22 and the 24-inch were a dramatic difference between the two. So I went ahead and I cut about an inch off of the 24-inch bundle, and then when I co-washed it, it blended in way better. So as you can see, you don't even notice a huge difference between each bundle and the closure itself. So I think I did a really good job with cutting the 24-inch bundle. Even though I like the length, I think the length is still good. This is how long it is on my back. It's about mid-back if you stretch it a bit. They do tell you on their website that it will take 7 to 10 days for processing, and then they will ship it out to you. They are located in Atlanta, Georgia, and I stay in Miami. So it took about a week for it to process, and then it took about another 2 days for it to get to me. But if you live on the West Coast, or if you live out of the country, wherever it may be, it may take a little bit longer. Every time that I wash it, or when I style it, it does shed, but it's like very minimal shedding. It does not shed a lot, but the quality of this hair is really good. I did not think I was gonna like this hair because I wasn't used to the big, really tight curly hair, but I fell in love with it. It has low maintenance, at least to me, it's low maintenance. All I have to do each night, if I really do feel like it, unless I just sleep with it in a bun, I just go ahead and split it down the middle, and then I go ahead and just twist it on each side, put on a bonnet, and call it a day. If you guys want to see how I co-wash this hair, I will definitely make sure I leave that video down below, because I did record a video on how I co-wash these bundles. So please make sure you guys check that out if you're interested, and you'll see all the products that I use on this hair. As you guys can see up close, it is very kinky, very coily. Now with Klassy K Extensions, they always have a promotion going on, so make sure that you guys go ahead and check that out. I know they have a 4th of July sale going on all month long, so make sure that you guys go ahead and check that out because they have great deals. This hair is super affordable, and it's really great quality. So, you know, you can save some coins somewhere. Now, I've ordered plenty of times from Klassy K Extensions. That is the only place that I get my bundles from. And every time that I've purchased from them, it has been a great experience, so I definitely do recommend it. I'll definitely make sure to leave all the information on this hair along with their information down in the description box. If you happen to have any comments for me, please make sure you leave them down below, and I'll go ahead and answer any questions that you may have. Please make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, guys.